Understand that behind every number and every pattern, there's a story waiting to be understood. That's what business analytics is all about.
I didn't really know a bunch about data analytics before I came here, so it was really interesting to learn about it, and especially incorporating AI.
They go from raw data that doesn't mean that much to a real business plan or business strategy.
The classes were very engaging and interactive. I think the topics that we covered were very interesting in general. First part of the day, the first class is like them just talking to us, but then the second class is like us actually doing the work on our own and like being creative and using our own minds.
We are actually trying to make a model that is working, that we can use it in real life scenarios.
Something that stood out to me is how welcoming the professors were. I felt very comfortable to ask them questions, and everyone here just had a smile on their face, and everyone wanted to be here, and everyone was very enthusiastic about the subject, and I just had a really great time.
And I also made so many good friends, and that was one of my favorite parts.
I made friends easier, and that makes it easier to keep up with them after you've left camp.
Getting to know one another and making some friendships that maybe will carry them through college and beyond.
We had our teams for our group projects, which we worked on throughout the week and presented at the end.
One thing I really enjoyed about the Neeley Analytics Academy was that I got to participate in multiple interactive activities and work on a group presentation so that I can better understand how analytics work in real-life situations.
Our students have learned to look at data, interpret numbers, use current technology to find meaning in numbers.
I just love the environment, I love the people, and I love the campus.